Hello students, myself Rajveer and I would like to welcome you all on behalf of Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today we'll just revise this English literature. This is for class 4, Saving the Sparrow. This is your next chapter. Now in this chapter, this is a story about a school going boy, Hira Lal. Hira Lal is a small boy who go to school early, like by cycling. Cycle थी उसके पास में, with the help of the cycle he go to school daily. He lives in a small village, वो एक village में ही रहते थे. One day he saw a sparrow caught in a power line. While going to the school, he just saw the power line. वो daily power line को देखता था. बहुत सारे birds एक साथ बैठते थे, and it looks like a necklace, a beautiful necklace. All the birds sitting together and it is hanging like this. It looked like a beautiful necklace. Beads are there. That he considered those sparrows as the beads in the necklace. And one day what happened, while going to the school, he saw a sparrow, a small sparrow stuck in the power line. Power line means जो electricity की lines जाती हैं, in that line the bird was stuck. Okay. Now he was thinking that how I am going to help that bird out. कैसे मैं उस bird का help करूँ? He did not know how to help out that sparrow. He was like thinking कि I should help that sparrow, but how can I help that sparrow? He has nothing to do. He has nothing. He can do nothing, right? Because he was just a small boy. Okay, school going boy. Now when he came back from the school, he saw sparrow was still trapped. When he came back from the school, उसने फिर से देखा that the sparrow is still trapped in that electricity wire. Okay, now what he can do further? Let's see. Then Hira Lal cycled to the power station. Before going to the power station, he pleaded his mother and father like, can you please help me out because the bird is stuck in the power line. Can you please help that poor bird? हम उस bird का कैसे भी help करें? We can just let her free from that power line. Let's do something. मतलब he was so curious. He was so like we should do something to help that bird. He was also sobbing. Sobbing मतलब जब रोते हैं और बोलते हैं, रोते रोते जब हम बोलते हैं, in that condition we are sobbing. Okay. There he requested the supervisor to save the sparrow. He went to the power station. He cycled. He took his cycle and cycled to the power station. It was far away from the village. वो village से थोड़ा दूरी पे था. He went there to the power station. वहाँ पर उसको कौन मिलता है? He met with Ram Bharose. He was the supervisor there, and he just asked supervisor to help that poor bird. He told him the total situation, जो भी situation वहाँ पर था, that the bird is stuck in the power line and he need help, right? So he was requesting him to just switch off the power line so that we can take that bird out from there. Later Hira Lal saw the three men came there to rescue the sparrow. Before this what happened? He just said कि we cannot do like this. हम एकदम से shut down नहीं कर सकते हैं electricity wires को, because it may get like affect hospitals and factories. We cannot do like this. Like this he just Hira Lal was like again, उसको बहुत ज़्यादा nervous feel हो रहा था. He again felt कि okay, nothing, कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता. That bird is going to die. Okay, he just gone from there. वो वहाँ से चला जाता है वापस अपने घर पे. Further वो देखता है that the three men came there to rescue that sparrow. Now who were those three men? That three men was Ram Bharose and their supervisors. Okay, they came there to rescue that sparrow. He asked them like, where is the sparrow? They rescued the bird and it was the magical moment for Hira Lal. It was the happiest moment for Hira Lal कि wow, we have rescued that sparrow finally. Finally, that was a very, very happiest moment for whom? Hira Lal. And he was feeling magical. He was like, since morning he was just trying to rescue that small bird from that power line, and finally he did that. So it was the magical moment for him. Okay, now let's see the question answers part. I'll just explain you the question answers part. Students, now let's see the internal questions. It is on page number 55. You can open your book. It is there on page number 55. You can see it is written there. What is the very first question? How did the sparrows look like? How did the sparrows look like? What do you mean by this? The sparrows, जब बहुत सारी sparrows एक साथ वायर पर बैठती हैं तो कैसी लगती हैं? I'll show you. It looks like a beads of necklace. Suppose these are the electricity wires. Usually they look like this only. ऐसे ही दिखते हैं electricity wires, and the birds sit like this. And consider them as your birds. इनको अपना birds consider करेंगे हम, right? And they look like this, like beads in the necklace. Okay, so these are the electricity wires. electricity wires, and these are your birds, sparrows. These all are your sparrows. Okay, these all are your sparrows, and they all are sitting together and making a necklace, looking like a necklace. They just look like a beautiful necklace, glass beads on a necklace. Okay, now let's see further. This is on again page number 55. You can mark it like this. They saw the glass beads on the necklace. Now let's see the another questions. What did the Hiralal see when he came back from school? जब हीरालाल वापस आया स्कूल से तो उसने क्या देखा? That small boy. You can write the answer. He saw that the sparrow was still trapped. He saw that the sparrow was still trapped in that electricity wire. Okay. Now, who was sobbing? This is on your page number 56. You can see it is there on page number 56. Who was sobbing? Hiralal was sobbing. You can mark it like this in your book. Okay, sobbing मतलब जब हम रोते रोते बोलते हैं, it means we are sobbing. Okay. Now let's see the question answers part, the copy work part. Now this is your copy work. These are the new words: imagined, beads, desperately, waving, scratched, supervisor, yelled, extension, ladder, and the yelled extension. Now let's see further what are the words. Ladder and rescue. These are the words. You have to learn these new words properly. These spellings should be learned properly. Now word meanings: twittering, when the birds make short high sounds. When the birds make short high sound, that is twittering. When they do this chee chee sound, that is the twittering sound. Okay. Now the power shutdown, a period of time when the power is turned off. जब light बिल्कुल चली जाती है, that is the time when we can say power is shut down. Okay. Directly under, exactly below. Exactly बिल्कुल ठीक उसके नीचे अगर suppose किसी my hand is like this, you can see my hand, my another hand is just below my another hand. मेरे ऊपर वाले हाथ के नीचे just मेरा दूसरा वाला हाथ है, that is we can call as directly under, exactly below. Okay. Magical moment, very special and delightful moment. When we are very very happy, हम बहुत खुश हैं, हम बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हैं, that is the magical moment. Okay, suppose you got A grades in all of your subjects, right? So that will be the magical moment for you, for your parents, that you got A's in all your subjects, right? You were very very happy, you feel very very happy, that is the magical moment. Now let's see further the question answers part. In the question answers, what did Hiralal see as he was cycling to school one morning? What did Hiralal see? उसने क्या देखा था जब वो स्कूल जा रहा था one day? He saw that one of the sparrows was caught in the power line. He thought that one of the sparrow, एक जो sparrow है वो पावर लाइन में स्टक्ड है, मतलब उसमें फंसी हुई है, उसके जो क्लॉज है, जो पंजे हैं वो उसके अंदर फंसे हुए हैं. Why did Hiralal's parents not help the sparrow? हीरालाल के पेरेंट्स भी हेल्प क्यों नहीं कर पाए थे स्पैरो की? Hiralal's parents did not help the sparrow because the power line was very high. It was very very high. We cannot reach easily over there, and they could not reach there. It was dangerous too, and it was very dangerous to touch the electricity wires. Okay, so therefore they could not help that bird. What did Hiralal ask the supervisor to do? Hiralal ने supervisor से किस चीज़ के बारे में request करा? Hiralal asked the supervisor to switch off the power so that they could save the bird. He was just requesting that you can please switch off the power line so that we can save the bird. We can save that poor bird. Okay. Now, how was Ram Bharose able to rescue the sparrow? Ram Bharose, he was the superintendent, he was the supervisor over there. He shut off the power at night, got an extension ladder, climbed up and loosened the claw of the sparrow from the wire. What he did in the night, he just shut down the power, उसने power off कर दिया. He bought the extension ladder मतलब वो ladder, वो सीढ़ियाँ जो बड़ी हो सकती हैं. It can be extended up to some limit. राइट, क्लाइम्ड अप, उसके ऊपर चढ़कर उन्होंने उस बर्ड को, उसके क्लॉज को लूज किया वायर से, मतलब उन्होंने उस बर्ड को वहां से रेस्क्यू किया. लाइक दिस दे रेस्क्यूड द बर्ड. नाउ लेट्स सी फर्दर. यू हैव टू रीड दिस एक्सट्रैक्ट एंड you have to answer the following questions. A little more to the right, a little more. They were now directly under the power line where the sparrow was trapped. Under the power line, I have just told you like this. They were just under the power line. Suppose this is the power line and they were just under it. That is the situation, right? And this is written in the extract also. He was just telling the correct position where you have to go, where you have to shift. Who was asking to move right? Hiralal was asking to move right. Hiralal, that small boy, he was asking to move right, go a little bit of right, go a little bit of left. This is the correct position. He was just instructing them. Who were under the power line? Driver Ram Bharose and Hiralal were under the power line. Who was standing? Driver Ram Bharose and Hiralal. They were standing under the power line. What were they searching for? What they were searching, what they was doing there? They were searching for the bird trapped in the power line. They were just searching for the bird who was just trapped in the power line. Right? Now let's see further. Make sentences. Desperately, I was waiting for my results desperately. When we are eager to know something, हम बहुत ज़्यादा eager रहते हैं किसी चीज़ के लिए, that is desperately. Frightened, जब हम डर जाते हैं, the noise from the machine frightened her. The noise from the machine frightened her. जो noise machine से हुई, it made her frightened. वो बहुत ज़्यादा डरावनी थी, इस वजह से वो डर गई. Yelled, when बहुत ज़ोर से हम चिल्लाते हैं, the people yelled for help. That is shouting. Okay. Trapped, 2 passengers are still trapped in the wreck. Trapped in the sense जब हम किसी चीज़ में फंस जाते हैं, when we are trapped somewhere, okay, that is trapped. You can make sentences of your own, but make sure there should be no grammatical error. Thank you and have a very nice day.